Hello, my name is David Bougie. This is my description of a computer system. At its core, a computer system has three basic functions: to input, process, and output information or data. As a software developer, we create the applications which fulfill the processing function. However, it is important to understand all functions of the computer system in order to complete our duties well. The main parts of a computer system are the base unit, the monitor, keyboard, mouse, scanner, the webcam, printer, and speakers. Physical characteristics of a computer system changes depending on the pieces and parts that you have. However, primarily speaking, the base unit comes in two varieties for the desktop computer. You have what is known as a tower unit, as displayed in the picture, which is a tall rectangular box, or an all-in-one unit, which is a smaller compact version, which is nested in back of the monitor. Mouse, older versions would use a ball system, and the newer versions use a laser and optical sensor to move the pointer. They have one or more buttons and a scroll wheel. Keyboards have three main parts: a typewriter-like key design for the main part, a number pad on the side, and function keys along the top row. Webcam is a small camera which can be externally placed anywhere on the desk or next to the computer, or some are built into the monitor themselves. Printers come in a variety of shapes and sizes depending whether it's a business purpose or an in-home computer system. The video display unit, or the monitor, is a TV-like piece of equipment. Speakers can be multiple, again, shapes and sizes, depending on whether they're internally placed inside of the monitor or externally placed outside of the monitor and attached to the base unit. The function for the base unit is for storage and processing. Now, the other two purposes of the computer system, the input and the output, are what we'll be focusing on next. Per Thomas Beach, the terms input and output are used both as verbs to describe the process of entering or displaying the data, and as nouns referring to the data itself entered into or displayed by the computer. For input devices, Encyclopedia Britannica reminds us that at one time, punched card and paper tape readers were extensively used for inputting, but these have now been supplemented by more efficient devices. These more efficient devices are things such as scanners, which use optical character recognition, or OCR, to copy images and printed pages to the computer. The mouse, which is used to click on buttons and links that are displayed on the monitor, and to scroll up and down using the scroll wheel to move the pages. The keyboard is used to type text for such as reports, or commands, such as hotkeys whenever playing video games or creating software. Webcam is great for taking pictures or video. The output devices, they're the printer, which prints text pages, images, and pictures. The video display unit, or the monitor, to display text, images, video, and speakers to produce sound. The computer has, again, three basic functions, which are input, process, and to output information. In order to successfully develop software that will process information, it is important to understand the input and output devices and how they function, to have a good overall understanding of the computer system.